Hello Trailblazers, welcome back to my channel Salesforce Treasures. In the previous video, we had completed our badge named Accounts and Contacts. In this video, we are going to complete the badge named Salesforce Platform Basics. So let's begin. So let's start our video. Salesforce Platform Basics. We have 5 subunits here. So let's begin with our first subunit, Unlock Business Success with Salesforce Data Platform. Let's check what we have in this video's challenge. Please go through the documentation. I repeatedly tell you, please go through the documentation before completing the challenge. This challenge, you just take this video as your reference. If you are getting stuck in any challenges, please go through the documentation. Create a field on contact object. Okay, I'll just complete all the like whatever you tell, the fundamental Salesforce fundamental administration fundamentals in the Salesforce administration playlist, but I'll just give you the glimpse, like what are objects, what are fields, what are records in this video. So I'll just first launch so that you will have a proper understanding. So basically the objects is the spreadsheet. Like the objects are the spreadsheet. Like the spreadsheet contains rows and columns, right? You save a spreadsheet with a name. That name which you save is called an object. Like a contact object is a spreadsheet, and the fields are the columns in the spreadsheet, whereas records are the rows in the spreadsheet. So that's it about the objects, fields and records. If you want any further advanced information about what are objects, contacts, accounts, fields, relationships, different types of fields, rows, records, I'll just create a Salesforce administration playlist, so please wait till then. Just continue with the challenge we faced here. We have just launched it. So before starting the challenge, we have to just install an package from here. So how to install a package? We have to go for the application page, click on Playground Starter, install a package, and here is the package ID. Copy it, paste it, and check whether the ID is same, because sometimes there will be a backspace here in the starting of the ID. So just recheck it. Click on install for all users. Install, yes, grant, continue. We'll just wait for a while so that the package gets installed. And yes, the installation is done. Click on done, and we have some next steps. Like we have done still here, we have completed done. Click on app launcher, go to select Dream House app. Okay, we'll do that. We'll just go to Dream House app and go to settings. As they told, we have to click on import data button, and yes, sample data successfully imported, and we have done with the first part of the challenge. Coming to the second part, customize the Salesforce platform. Okay, we have to create another field. Before creating the field in our challenge, we have to just complete or create another field here. So I'll just show you how to create that. We'll just remove this. We'll just go to object manager. This is the object manager where you create custom objects. Account, activity, contact, opportunity, lead, campaign, and these all which I'm showing in my screen is all the standard objects. So here we have to create a custom field on contact object. Like difference between standard object and custom objects are, custom object is created by us and standard objects is created by the Salesforce, which is predefined by the Salesforce. Contact, fields and relationships, new we have different types of data types for creating the field. We have to go for checkbox. As we have given checkbox, we have to select the checkbox. Next, we have to enter pre-qualified as our field name. Just qualified. We have just copied. Okay. Click next by keeping all the field level security as default. Next, and save. That's all we are given with. And here I'll just show you in the app page that will be updated with sales. Open a new tab. I'll just show you the contacts page. There will get a pre-qualified field here. Okay, it's not yet updated. We'll just refresh the page several times because we work on this. We work on servers. It may take a while to update on the form. So not yet. It's not yet happened. We'll just check here whether we have done. Yeah, pre-qualified is already created here, the custom field, but it's not reflecting here. We'll see again. No, not yet. We'll just check for another 2 minutes. Yeah, see here. We have just got the field pre-qualified. We had selected the data type of the field as checkbox, and defaultly it will be unchecked. So if the contact is pre-qualified, you have to just click on it and save. If it is not pre-qualified, then do not select it and save. That's all. We have just created a field now, and that's it. And we'll go to our challenge. We have to create another field named currency, named loan amount with the data type currency. Okay, let's go and create. We'll go to object manager again. We'll search for contact object, fields and relationships, new, currency is the data type which we have to create. Next, the field label is loan amount. We have to copy it. We'll paste it, and that's it. We have to keep all the default settings as it is. Next, and save, and we'll check the challenge. For some challenges, it is mandatory to complete all the given information above, but for some challenges, it is not mandatory. Before starting the challenge, we have to just read the challenge description, what they have given. If it contains, like for example, if it contains to pass this challenge, you will create a new custom field in addition to one which you made earlier in this unit if you were following along. So this meaning is you have to complete the above challenge which they had given. So let's tackle the next one. We are completed with this challenge. So in this video, we are going to cover the second subunit, that is discover use case for the platform, and we'll go down and check what we have for the quiz. So yeah, we have our quiz for the challenge. So when identifying process to bring into Salesforce, look for email driven processes. I guess it should be all of the above, because we can do all of these above steps which is present upside. 3 use cases for finance on the platform are a budget, management, price, contract management. I guess this is the correct answer, so I'll just click on the option C which is given, and these 3 use cases are for finance. And let's check our challenge whether it's right or wrong. And yes, we are completed with our challenge, and we'll go to our third subunit. The next one, we are completed with this challenge. We'll tackle the next unit. we'll just check what is the, okay, we have another quiz. One trusted multi-tenant cloud means you get no software upgrade 3 times a year, the benefits of the same core set of features for all customers. Okay, all of the above. The Salesforce API is like a contract between two pieces of software allowing them to connect and exchange information. Yeah, API is used for integrations, so connecting the two pieces of softwares for exchange of information is the right answer. Metadata refers to data about data, I think so. Yeah, the C. Let's check. And yeah, we have completed our third subunit also. We'll go to our next subunit named Navigate Setup. So coming to our fourth subunit of the same batch, we have again a quiz. The company information page is where you can find your login ID or your org ID, license available and in use, information. Okay, I think all the above contains all the above informations. Okay, coming to our next, what are the three main categories in setup page? Administrator, performance tools, and settings. What is the easy way to find out you are looking for in setup? Quick find box. I guess quick find box is the box where you can search all. In the next video I'll tell you what is quick find box, what is setup. I think so I have told about setup. Setup is a page where all the service or all the settings of the Salesforce you do. Service setup is something different, which I'll tell you in our further videos. Setup page is where you do all the backend setting works of Salesforce. Let's check this whether we are right. And yeah, we are right. Let's tackle our next unit. Next unit is power up with App Exchange. We'll go through our next. Coming to our last sub badge or sub unit of the same badge. Yeah, we have quiz again here. We'll solve the quiz. When you are getting started with App Exchange, a best practice is develop a plan, include budget, timing, and key department use cases. That's the answer. When you want to find an app after you install it, where should you enter it? In the quick find box and setup? Installed packages. If you go to install packages, you can see whatever apps or packages you have installed. Check whether it is right. And yes, we have completed our another batch successfully. It was a very long batch with 5 subunits and we have completed it. Yeah, we have successfully completed Salesforce Platform Basics, which was a very long batch with 5 subunits. If you like our content, please like, comment, share with your friends who are learning Salesforce. Learn and get success together. Subscribe to our channel. Tell it to your friends also to subscribe our channel, which motivates me to post more contents like this, which would help you in your journey in Salesforce. Thank you.